Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Arculus wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to move funds for trading, staking, or just managing your crypto better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and with advancements in wallet tech by 2025, transfers are faster and more secure than ever. But remember, always double-check your steps to avoid any mishaps in the volatile crypto world. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and verified. You'll need BNB in your Arculus wallet and a Coinbase wallet ready to receive it. Start by opening your Arculus wallet app on your mobile device or desktop. Once logged in, navigate to your asset list and select BNB. This should show your current balance, great for confirming how much you want to transfer. Next, head over to your Coinbase wallet. Go to the Receive section and copy the BNB wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful when copying it to avoid any errors. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like BNB Smart Chain, as mismatches can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Arculus, hit the Send or Transfer button for BNB. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. By 2025, these might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometric authentication or a PIN. After you approve it, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, but it depends on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to Coinbase wallet and check your balance to ensure the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or look for any confirmation emails. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Arculus to Coinbase in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.